let's bring up the exfoliating gloves. Corey was telling me to use these gloves again and again, and I was like, okay,
for
okay,
3 weeks.
okay.
3 weeks.
Wait, you use them?
I finally used them today, and my face, it's not even like, I haven't used them enough to like see the acne go away, but like my face just felt softer.
So smooth,
And
right?
It tears off the dead skin.
It's
I
so
usually
smooth, it's
use
crazy.
like a blade, like a razor blade, and I like get off all the baby hairs and the dead skin, but I don't even have to do that anymore with the gloves.
Yeah,
Like,
no,
I don't
it's
know, it
literally
actually
great. My
helps.
face feels so smooth and nice. It's
Yeah.
great. No, I love the gloves. I just love showers
So
in general.
what happens when you listen to the coach?
Well,
How often am I right?
yeah, no, it wasn't. I wasn't
How
trying to
often am I
ignore
right?
you. It was just my.
Most of the time, pretty much 90%. Damn. Wait. Yeah, you kind of yield results. I mean, yeah.
What percentage?
I've taken your advice and it's yielded results, so I cannot complain.
Grace?
Adults are always right. Always right.
No, they're
So
not. That's a
what
horrible.
percentage-
No, don't. No. Adults
She
are not
dodged the
always
question.
right. That's bad.
She dodged the question.
When-
She dodged the
What
yes.
percentage am I right?
In what way?
Well, like the gloves thing. I've been telling you for 3 weeks ago. I gave those to
this
you.
juice stuff, all this health stuff. I would say 80%.
I've been
You got a
80% right.
B.
I got a B.
Yeah, I guess so. Even not even like a B
because
plus, like a low B too. Damn.
There's millions and millions of ways to be healthy, and 80% is a very percent.
She's not satisfied with the
She's
results
not,
yet.
no.
You expected 100%?
Fuck yeah.
Like a
Okay,
95.
well,
I'm
just
sorry.
wait until 2 weeks of Dominic.
Correct. I give you
No,
a
Dominic-
96%. That's good.
She's harsh.
She's hard. Yeah, she is harsh. 96 is
She's
good.
fucking
No, I
high
wouldn't say
maintenance, hard to please.
I
a lot of
like-
work.
Yeah. I would just say, I think that there's different ways to do it, but like this way works, and like there's other ways that works, and there's
But
other
it's
ways that
working,
don't
bottom
work.
line.
Yeah, no, it's working. Hell yeah,
And
it's
you're
working.
satisfied with the results.
I am
But
satisfied.
you give the coach a B? Okay, so what would be different in order for it to be an A?
I would rather. I don't like putting in work. Let's just say that. I don't like working out. I would rather sit on my ass and be healthy.
So yeah, if you could say
Me
like,
too.
say you could just
Me
take like
too.
a pill.
I'm with you.
Take a pill that every day
Yes.
where you could. So something that doesn't. Okay.
Come on, man.
I mean, I think
But-
anyone would take that option if you just
but
take
that's
like, a
my
magical pill that
perspective.
would solve all your problems. I mean,
My idea of being healthy is so much different than everyone else's. Obviously, way different than everyone else's because I'm lazy. But I'm just saying, like, my 80%.
So I
like,
got a
would not be the
B
same.
just because you're pissed off that I'm right.
I'll give you a 95% if that makes
that's
you feel
quite the
better.
jump. 50%.
I'm
You
so
gotta stand
sorry.
Grace, you gotta stand your ground. Keep it with the 80.
I know. Okay,
Stand
80%,
your ground.
81%. Okay,
Oh, 81. I'm on a whole 81%.
the 1% is just out of guilt.
So you're just mad that I'm right.
No, I'm not
It
mad that you're
pisses
right.
you off.
I just wish there was a better way.
Yeah.
She just wants a way where she doesn't have to put in the work. Basically, everything just happens.
I wish it was
Yeah,
all.
that's kind of the look that she gave me in the gym yesterday. Like, fuck you.
I wish it was all
you
diet
fucking asshole.
instead of like
jerk.
Like I wish there's a way I could just like
I wish I hadn't
diet.
said yes to this job.
no.
But I look good. Woo, look at
I'm
me.
sorry. I feel like I'm insulting everyone.
You should feel very sad.
I know.
Feel good. It's
Figure out
fine.
how to avoid the workout to get results.
Well, I guess
know.
maybe I can invent a magic pill someday.
You know,
No, then you'll get an A.
maybe one day I'll enjoy working out. Maybe.
I mean, I used to hate it. I used to
I
hate
must
running.
say,
I actually enjoy running
she
now.
for at least the last week, she showed up about 20 minutes early for every workout. So I
mean-
think she's getting into the routine and looking forward to
I'm
it.
dedicated to be here. I am not looking forward to the workout, but I know that I have to do it, so might as well get my ass in there and fucking do it as fast. Sorry.
Just let her rip, babe. Let her rip.
I might as well get in the gym and do it as fast as possible. just to get it over with and to do it because I know I have to do it, so might as well do it right. I don't know. I feel like I'd rather...
You don't have to like it. You just have to do
Exactly. So it's...
Navy SEAL motto.